In this quick tutorial, I will show you slice tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. You can easily access slice tool from the crop tool menu. Just right click here and you can access slice tool. Its keyboard shortcut is also same. So I am clicking slice tool. You can see here is style appeared in the menu bar. See, here is fixed size, normal, fixed aspect ratio and fixed size. Width 64 pixel and height 64 pixel. So I am selecting normal at first. Then I am slicing the image. You can see I am drawing a rectangle here and it will automatically selected. It will selected the area, it is sliced the area and automatically other areas also sliced. See number 2 and number 3. So this is user selected slice and this is auto selected slice. User selected slice means that blue color and gray color is auto selected slice. If I right click here or hold down in control and double click here, we can access the slice option. I prefer to click right click here and edit slide option. Delete slice, edit slice option. Here we can slice type, no image, image table, image name. We can put URL, target, message and alt text also dimension. And slice background type here matte, white, black, art. So again right clicking here, we can also divide the slice from here. Divide horizontally, you can see the selected slice. If we can press 3, you can see the 3 horizontally divided and vertically 3, then it is vertically will be sliced. I am cancelling it. Also right clicking here, so you got the idea from here. Also we can select slice. We can slice 2 separate layers images. How? First selecting the first layer, then go to the layer menu and from here new layer based slice. If we click here, you can see this is auto generated slice and this is user. Okay, user generated slice. Now how we can save this? We can save this as from file menu, then export, save for web and legacy, JPG height, and we can save it and save it here. See, save it here. If we can access, we can easily access from here, desktop menu, here, and see here is whole image exported. Actually I am slicing more slice. How? I can right click here and divide slice. Okay, and then I am horizontally making it 3 and vertically 3. Then okay, I am pressing OK. See, all are user generated slice. Now I can exporting it, save for web and legacy, clicking here and saving it, replacing and see what happened. See, all sliced are saved separately. Here separately, it is separately. So I hope you got something from this quick tutorial. If so, please you can subscribe my channel. Take care.